Hello, everybody! I just came back from Walmart and I found this smart clock. It's a Lenovo Smart Clock Essential. It has Hey Google on it. my Google uh, dot or whatever you call it. It's blinking. You heard me say this word. Don't say this word around those things. Anyway, this was on clearance for $12, so I figured might as well try it. Target used to do this deals like this, but not anymore, or very rare now. Ooh, that was a long time just to open the box. So here's the clock. I thought it would be bigger, but it's not. It's a lot smaller than I thought. So this is the clock. Yes, a protective plastic front. It has comes with a brick. It's not detachable, and it's not USB. So it's a regular power supply. Also inside is a nice looking pouch that I'm gonna rip. I use a scissor. And inside is only a pamphlet. Where's the sticker at? No sticker? With no sticker. Go back. So here is the clock. Shiny. Let me plug this in and let me show you the color of the LED. Alright, so let me plug this in. There is a USB port here. God knows why. Maybe to set up this one. So it's blinking. There's the Google thing. Does it automatically set up the time?
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
Oh, so I have to set it up with a Google Home, which I already have. Alright, so I'm just gonna set up the device right now. So add a device and new device. I can't show you this part because it's private information. It's looking for the device now. Let's see how long it finds it. It's considered a speaker, so I don't know why, but why not? Would you like to set up this device? Yes. Connecting to existing speaker. Your phone may disconnect on your Wi-Fi. Hopefully it's connecting on this one, not on my other home device. It's connected. Yes, I hear that. It's asking me a question. Did you hear that sound? I said, yes. Help improve your Google Assistant speaker? No thanks. I'm just gonna put, I'm gonna put this in the bathroom. It's asking me where I'm gonna put it, so I put bathroom. So this thing is running at All right, so I have to connect to, having this connected to Wi-Fi. See if it's gonna give me the, automatically give me the time and date. It's working. Group partners, I'm gonna say, I'm gonna turn no. How do I say no? How do I say no? It doesn't say anything, right? It doesn't give me an option to say no. Nope, can't skip it. I can skip the music part. Not now. Link to video services, not now. Link to TV services, not now. Skip. Not now. It wants me to the contacts too. Stay in the know, nope. Add a payment method, no. I don't want a payment method. Not shopping for anything. That's optional anyway. Bathroom speaker is ready.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant. I'm here to help. To learn a few things you can do, continue in the Google Home app.
Okay, so I finished the setup. So the time right now is actually 5:35, so it's exactly the right time. So it's automatic. Here's my phone, the time. You can see it. And the time's there. And it tells the temperature 82 degrees. And the date and time. So it works. It's easy setup too. Alright. So this is the, oh, what happened there? What happened to the time? Oh, it rebooted or something happened there. Maybe updated, who knows. Anyway, that's it. This is the Lenovo Smart Clock Essential. Got it for only $12 at Walmart today. Alright, that's it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope to see you next time. Have a nice day and enjoy the rest of your day. Alright, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.